Step into timeless elegance with this beautifully preserved early 1900s gem. Nestled on a charming corner lot, this stunning home blends historic character with modern updates. From the moment you enter, you'll be captivated by the intricate original woodwork, hardwood floors, and elegant chandeliers that reflect the home's rich heritage. As you explore this beautiful home, you will notice the natural light from the newer style large window. The spacious living room features a classic built-in fireplace with gas insert, perfect for cozy evenings. The dining room has the perfect window seat framed by tall, sun-filled windows, perfect for cozy meals. The updated kitchen offers the best of both worlds, vintage charm paired with modern amenities including stainless steel gas stove, tile backsplash, and custom cabinetry. The half bath off the den/office serves as a great guest bath on the main floor. Enjoy morning coffee on the inviting front porch or host summer gatherings on the expansive back deck overlooking the beautifully landscaped yard. This property also includes a 2-car garage and offers ample space both inside and out. This home has a metal roof, has recently had blown in an insulation in the attic, and is getting new exterior paint. This home has been loved and well taken care of. If you appreciate historic character with thoughtful updates, this home is a must-see. Call today and schedule your appointment.